Alright guys, I'm doing a review on this. So this has been in the news, the Beyond Meat Burger at A&W. It was actually on sale, as you can see. I got it. Its regular price is $7, which is actually quite expensive. But it was on sale, so I picked one up and want to do a review for you guys. I didn't get it with the bun, so it's the lettuce wrap version right there. So I'll be right back and get it out of the bag. Alright, so here it is out of the bag. That's what it looks like, lettuce wrap, as you can see. This is what the veggie burger patty looks like. It looks almost like meat, but let's do a quick taste test. So let's get a taste test without the toppings in there. Just rip off a piece. So you guys can see that's what it looks like. Taste-wise, it tastes almost like meat. Because when they grill it on the A&W grill, you can have that sort of charboiled taste to it, so it still has that. And here's a better look at the meat now. If you taste carefully, it's almost got a different taste to it. So it's actually made of pea protein, okay? But like if you regularly were eating this, you would notice a difference. But if you really like nitpicky, sort of pick at it, you'd probably notice it's a little bit more of almost like a gritty sort of taste to it, but you'd have to really pick at it. So but other than that, it's pretty good. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post them below, subscribe to the channel.